Hi, here we are again, American Runabouts, with another part of the Hellwig restoration. It's been a couple of days because we still move with the workshop. Don't want
a little bit of mayhem in here.
Yeah, a little bit. So it takes a bit, but not because we are so super lazy or it's so big, but just we have work in between. So yeah, this is a constant thing. So the Hellwig was resting for a little bit. And if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you may have seen that I started a bit of upholstery. Aaron was not here that day, and I just got
excited.
Yeah, a little bit overexcited and started doing it. And then at some point, Aaron was like, "I saw you doing upholstery. You didn't film it." I was like, "Oh yeah, probably I should have." So there's one piece left, and I just want to briefly go over that. So the side panels, the dashboard, basically all the parts that are screwed to the boat, more or less, are done the same way. So this is waterproof plywood, which got a bit of a treatment. And so what we do is we just hold it on to where it goes to, drill through, so we have the holes in the wood and the holes in the fiberglass wall, and then we use these in, actually, same issue as often in German, that is Einschlagmutter. I don't know if there's a specific term for these, but you can see it's basically a nut with a couple of claws. So I put it in a hole, give it a tap with the hammer, and it's in the wood. So now if I'm screwing in from the other side, I have the thread here and actually just pull it closer to the wood. So it's a great way of attaching something to the wood without a wood screw, because if you want to detach it again, you do this 2 or 3 times, and then obviously the hole's gone and you need another. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the general concept of it, and then this is a little bit of basically what do you call it?
Padding.
Yeah, it's a little bit of foam with a what the fuck is what the. What do the girls use to take their makeup off?
The cotton pads.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
So, yeah, this is a little bit of padding, basically like a cotton pad with a bit of foam. So that gives it a bit of structure, a bit of softness. I mean, it's on the side if you bump into it. And it also makes it look a little bit more three-dimensional, which I like a lot. So basically what we do is we get this part on here, and then that's the vinyl. This on here, and then basically staple it in place. Doesn't really matter where you start. So you get this on here, and then comes the curve. So actually, when I start pulling here now, I pull it out of place on the other side. So we make sure there's good tension on that, and then
perfect.
Ta-da! So here we go. And where's the speaker? So now with the speaker installed,
Comes out pretty nice, I think.
that's not too bad. So we get a couple of screws that fit in here and start and figure out where our last cable is.
What?
All right. So the screwed in upholstery is ready. So what we need to do now is the seat and the back. And there actually we gonna start the sewing machine. So that's another part. And because we'll play a little bit around with colors, the seats will be in a beige color, similar to the speaker that I showed you before. Actually, I can show you the material. Actually, I can show you the material. The material looks like that. So this is the material that's going to be on the seats, and we'll combine this with a brown stripe in the middle. So optically, the bench will be divided into two seats, which I think will look quite nice. And we match the center stripe of the board. And yeah, then we're getting close. What we'll do now is we install the rub rail, the ovens here. So we install the rub rail in the oven, give it a 20-minute bake, and then assemble that. And that will make quite a bit of a difference in the general appearance of the boat, because right now obviously that's not nice here, but with the rub rail on, I'm pretty sure that will make a difference.
You look the part, you know? You look the part. It's the glasses, I think.
Probably.